Hello everybody, this is Matthew, and today on BrainSTEMs we are going to be learning how to use the basic features of the very simple program iMovie to edit videos. A viewer asked me to do a simple tutorial on iMovie, so here it is. To show how simple iMovie really is, we are going to attempt to do this tutorial in less than 3 minutes. That means less than 3 minutes of learning how to combine videos and photos, cut and crop clips, add titles to produce a short movie. Note that iMovie is only available on Apple devices, and this tutorial is for editing on the iPhone. iMovie on iPads or Macs may be just a little bit different. So, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay everybody, we are on iMovie, and when you click on the iMovie app, you will be directed to this homepage. So, let's go ahead and start the timer for 3 minutes, starting in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, once you're on the home page, you will see a big plus sign. Click on Create Project, and click on Movie if you want to edit a video. The trailer is just a fun little option that iMovie has. Let's click on Movie, and then you get to go to your Apple Photos and decide which things to use. So I will click on these two items that I created beforehand as a sample, and I will press Create Movie at the bottom. So now you will be directed to this homepage where you can scroll through your video and you can see both photos that will move, and then you can also see videos. So as you can see, this is a little test video I created.
This is a test video I will be using for the...
Yep. Maybe, hey, it looks like I paused for too long at the beginning. So let's click on that clip right there, and let's drag the yellow heading. This can be used to shorten the length of your videos, and you can also do it from the end too, as so. So yeah, that's just a neat little trick that iMovie has. And then we can also change the order of the different clips. So let's say I wanted the photo after the video. So if I hold down on the photo and drag it to after the video, I can drag it over here. So now the video appears before the photo. Let's say I wanted to add another clip to the movie. I press the plus sign on the middle left right there, and you can go to your videos and photos. Mine is saved in Moments, so I will go to Moments, and I will click on this video and press the plus mark to add it in. Again, I can change the order of this. Let's say I want this to go second. I'll put this in second, and there we go. We have our two clips.
This is a test video I will be using for the tutorial. I will be combining this clip.
Yep. And also, we can also change the transitions. iMovie has a lot of preset transitions, so this one I'm going to switch from dissolve to slide. And this is the effect
I will be using for the tutorial.
So yeah, iMovie has a lot of stuff like that. We're also going to be adding in a background. So let's go back, and then we can see the Backgrounds tab right here. We're going to press black, and I'm running out of time here, so I'm going to start rushing. And then I'm going to drag it to the beginning. And yeah, iMovie has a bunch of backgrounds like this. I'm going to click on here and go to the T. And iMovie has a bunch of preset titles. A lot of them are animated, and you can see which one you like. I'm going to go with Reveal for now. And I'm just going to do a little hello. And that's it. So now, once we're done with that, let's go ahead and see our video. Very simple. That's what iMovie's all about. Well, looks like I made it in less than 3 minutes. Just a quick update on my channel. Though this was a very short video, I will be getting back to my regular videos over the next few weeks. My goal is still to have at least one video a month, and I'm working on a video right now that I think is very interesting. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking, as that would help me a lot. This is Matthew from BrainSTEMs. Thank you for watching. See you next time.